3 tools that you need in less than 3 minutes. First tool, a decent multimeter. Now you can go to Harbor Freight and get a multimeter that'll basically work. But I am so impressed with this little thing. This is the UNI-T UT210E. This thing was around 50 bucks, so not the cheapest, but it's tiny, which makes it super convenient. It has a AC and DC clamp amp meter, so you can measure down to a 2 amp range, so tenths of an amp or possibly even lower precision for finding phantom draws, things like that. If your battery is going dead after you leave your car for a couple days, this will help you find it with that amp draw, as well as all the other normal functions, voltage, resistance, stuff like that. Comes with the leads and a nice little carrying case. Definitely something you want to pick up. A torque wrench. Now this is a torque adapter. It's an ACDelco brand. I've been using this thing for a number of years now, and it's nice because it has a lot of different options. Foot pounds, inch pounds, Newton meters, and one other that I'm not entirely sure what it is. But this thing is nice and accurate. You just put your ratchet in one end, your socket on the other, and it starts going beep, 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 beep when you hit the set torque value that you want, and it'll show you the peak torque if you're curious what it takes to break a bolt loose, or for my application, testing the slip on Sea-Doo superchargers. So also, I believe this was around 50 bucks too, so yeah. A strap oil filter wrench. You put a 1/2-inch ratchet in this end, and you wind this thing around a spin-on oil filter, and it will take it off. I guarantee you, you will never find an oil filter that will not come off with one of these. I have crushed them to half their size with this, but they always come loose. And you can use it for so much more than just oil filters too. We've used it to stop a pulley so that you could remove the bolt in the center of the pulley. I've used it to hold things, do things. This thing really is versatile because anything that can fit in there, you can grip with this thing. So also doubles as a cool headband. Yeah. So there's 3 tools that you need to get right now. Thanks for watching.